welcome to another Ballet For All tutorials. Today we are going to be talking about Developpé versus Enveloppe. In saying that, let's get ready and let's get to it. Let's begin with Developpé. Developpé is a classical ballet movement which means to develop or developing movement. A Developpé can begin in any basic position of feet. First, the working leg is going to be brought up to a passing through and continue to open to an open position. It can be done forward, it can be done to the side or to the back. Developpé can be also done in a demi-plie. We can do it with relevé. But there are some tips that you may need to follow in order to perform a correct developpé. So the first thing that you need to think about is your supporting legs need to be really tall and have this sensation of elongation the entire time. Now, next, let's focus on the working leg. We are going to bring our leg all the way up to a passé without stopping. And for that, we are going to use these muscles here, your inner thighs, to help you bring your passé really tall before starting opening to an open position. Now, to do it forward, you're going to use this heel to lead the movement all the way forward while your knee stay back. By doing this, you are ensuring a good turn out. Now, it's also very important to keep your hips level. When doing it to the side, I have seen a lot of tips that can help you. I don't disagree with that. However, I do not like the tip which said bring passé high and then develop. Okay, you can focus on doing that, however, don't stop your passé and then stretch. This is a fluid movement. So you go through your passé, bring your knee up, it's okay, but don't stop and keep going up. Also here, your heel is going to keep a turnout by facing up. And to the back, we are going to do a different motion. When doing developpé to the back, you are going to ensure that your knee stay all the way back the entire time and your knee is going to lead the movement. We pass through an attitude before stretching up. But now you have to avoid dropping your torso forward in order to get a higher arabesque or a higher developpé back. Rather, you're going to feel your shoulders pushing back, knee back, and your hip is going to slightly open, but you need to keep facing forward as much as you can. There are so many exercises that you can do to improve your developpés and get higher legs. I'm going to leave links for you up here or down below in the description of this video. Now, let's talk about enveloppé. Enveloppé is also a classical ballet step, which means envelope, and is known of being the opposite to developpé, for a way to say. So, we are going to begin also in any basic position of feet, let's say from first position this time. And what we do when we perform an envelope is that the working legs begin by lifting straight as high as we can and continue back to a retiré or passé and close down to the basic position that we begin in or to any other position, that's fine. Now, here we will keep the same tips that we talk about developpé. Hips stay level, square facing forward the whole time. Now when we do a relevé and forward, to ensure that we keep a good turnout, you're going to use your knee. Back, back, back. Focus on your hips, straight forward and level. And continue the movement all the way down, either fifth position forward or fifth position back. And this movement as developpé can be also done in demi-plie, can be done with relevé to the side or to the back. Something that we have to think about when doing enveloppé to the back is that when we did developpé, your knee was leading the movement back. When we do enveloppé, your heels and toes are going to lead the movement. However, your knee is going to still push back and retiré to any basic position. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Also comment down below which other step in ballet you would like to know about, and I would love to do a tutorial for you.